Omar also intended to see her, but when she saw Omar, she said, "This person wanna harass us." Shaharbano, Imam Sajjad's mother, was the daughter of Yazdgir, the Persian king. Her title was Shah-e-Zanan. She was from the famous lineage of her time. Hazrat Ali used to proudly call her by the title of Maryam or Fatima because she was a pure woman like Maryam. Who was Shaharbano? Yazdgir was the last Iranian emperor. When he left Madain for Kabul, his daughters were with him on this journey. After some time, Arab soldiers attacked Kabul and conquered the forts. Yazdgir died and his daughters were taken prisoners. Kutub Rawandi narrates that Imam Muhammad Baqir said, "When the daughter of Yazdgir was brought to Medina, all the women of Medina came together to see her beauty. Omar also intended to see her, but when she saw Omar, she said, 'This person wanna harass us.' Omar said that she is abusing me. Omar wanted to punish her, but Imam Ali stopped him and said,
'You do not know Persian language. So how do you know she's abusing you?'
Omar then decided to sell her, but Imam Ali said,
'It is said by the Holy Prophet that the important people of every nation should be respected.'
Omar said,
'I have also heard the same from the Messenger of God. So, what do you think we should do?'
Imam Ali said,
'Marry her to one of the Muslims and pay the dowry from the treasury.'
Imam said,
'I free my right from these captives.'
After that, everyone gave their right to Imam. Omar said,
'I also give my right.'
Therefore, Imam Ali released all the prisoners in the way of God. Yazdgir had 2 daughters. Imam Ali married one to Imam Hussain, from which Imam Sajjad was born, and the second was married to Muhammad ibn Abi Bakr, from which Qasim bin Muhammad was born, who is the maternal grandfather of Imam Jafar Sadiq. Shaharbano's dream. Shaharbano says,
"I dreamt that Messenger of God and Imam Hussain came to our house and asked for my hand for Imam Hussain. So my father did my marriage to Imam Hussain. The other night I saw Bibi Fatima in the dream. I accepted Islam on her hands. Then Lady Fatima said to me, 'A group of Muslims will kill your father and you will be held captives and you'll be married with my son.' God protected me and no one even touched me and I reached Medina safely."
Imam Ali's question and the answer of Shaharbano. When Shaharbano was brought to Medina as captive, the Imam asked,
"Do you remember any of the things before the incident?"
Bibi Shaharbano said,
"I remember my father said, when the decision of God is enforced, then all the plans are failed, and when the duration of life ends, death takes dominance."
Imam Ali said,
"How good is this saying of your father?"
Marriage. Imam Ali said,
"You are free to marry whoever you want to."
Bibi Shaharbano remained silent. Imam Ali asked again,
"What is your wish about getting married? Whom do you want to marry?"
She asked Imam,
"How do you know that I want to get married?"
Imam Ali said,
Whenever a girl was brought to the Messenger of God, he used to ask her this, and when the girl remains silent, he used to understand that she agrees on this.
So finally she married Imam Hussain and Huzaifa recited their nikah. Imam Ali's advice. Imam Ali advised Imam Hussain and said,
"O son, treat this woman well and protect her. Soon the master of Arabs will be born from this woman."
Imam Hussain and Lady Shaharbano. Arab people used to think marrying a non-Arab and a slave is a sign of inferiority. When Imam Hussain was married with Lady Shaharbano, this complex was broken. The daughter of Yazdgir was a simple and pious girl of her house. The Lord wrote in her destiny that she had to be a captive and got married to Imam Hussain. Imam Ali said about her,
"She is the mother of pious and was from a sacred lineage."
Imam Hussain did 5 marriages and the first one was with Lady Shaharbano, from whom Imam Sajjad was born. Lady Shaharbano died in the year 38 AH right after 10 days of the birth of Imam Sajjad.
For more authentic Islamic videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like this video and leave a comment. Till the next video, Khuda Nigehdaar.